And uses of fast formulas, as we already know, fast formula is having various usages. So fast formulas are used in a payroll space, benefit space, human resource space, compensation, absence management, and time and labor. It is having vast usage in all of these modules. So if you are a functional resource, if you need to configure any of these pages in payroll or benefits or any of these modules, so you need to call a fast formula. And uses, let's see the uses of fast formulas. Fast formulas can be used across the Fusion HCM product. So perform, so like few of the advantages, few of the usages are like performing the payroll calculations. So like in the payroll side, so you create elements, and within the element, so the moment you create an element, so by default there will be a fast formula created in the backend, so in the fast formula page. So that fast formula will derive entire logic. So with that fast formula is gonna calculate the final pay value for each payroll run. So it's totally the fast formula which is doing all the work in the payroll calculations. So similarly, if you see the pay, absence accruals, so in the absence side also we do have specific absence accrual formula type, so which will calculate the accruals, so which will give you the final value of balance. So how much accrual, how much, for example, for a sick leave, let's say for a sick leave plan, absence plan, so that will give you, that will calculate each time an associate takes applies for a leave, so that will recalculate the amount and that will give the final value in the screen. And similarly absence duration, so that will give how much, if you are taking 0.5 leave, if you are applying 0.5 leave, that will calculate how many leaves left, that will actually allow you to apply for the particular duration or not. So you can do this checks in using fast formulas. So it's basically when you're applying anything in the backend, there will be a fast formula running, and you can control the calculations using fast formulas. Yeah, similarly, fast formulas are used in the custom calculations of benefit administration, and fast formulas will be used in the element input value determination it's also used in the user defined tables. So we do have vast usage of fast formulas. So that is totally like if you are working in any of the modules, like so we got to know that few of you are working the payroll space, few of you are an reporting side. So you can make use of those fast formulas to make the calculations, or to make the value fetch uh, more accurately. So for example, in payroll space, so you can see this fast formula is having a usage in calculation of the element run results. It is having a usage in payroll results, and it will perform the legislative checks during the payroll run. So you can also restrict the payroll calculation run for one subset of an associate using the dynamic object groups, and for that you can write a fast formula. And also you can write a fast formula to skip the element in the payroll calculation. So you can transform the data to third party source, so while uploading the payroll batch. So it's having vast advantage in the payroll space. So similarly, even in the benefit side, fast formulas can be used to determine the eligibility of an associate, to check the post election edits. So you can actually grant access to associates to do the post election for a particular period using a fast formula. And using the fast formula, you can do the service calculations, you can coverage amount limits, you can actually add limits for the coverage elements in a benefit space. And if you see the compensation side, using fast formulas, you can specify the compensation worksheet defaults, you can you create a custom plan hierarchy. And similarly in the absence side, you can do accrual terms, you can do the carryover rules, vesting criteria. So it's having vast usage.